Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple and beautiful logo using Canva. Totally free and super fast. Here's the final logo I made, and I'll guide you through the entire process. First, open your browser and search for Canva on Google. Click on the official Canva website link, canva.com. Now, log into your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is quick and free. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and select Logo from the options. You can either choose a logo template or start from scratch with a blank canvas. Customize your logo by adding text, changing fonts, colors, and including icons or shapes that represent your brand. final adjustments to your design until it looks perfect. Finally, click on Download to save your logo. Choose PNG for the best quality. And that's it. You just created a professional logo quickly and easily using Canva. Give it a try and let me know what you design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy design tips. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me what you want me to make next. Thanks for watching.